How to delete Facebook account. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to delete your Facebook account. Now, to do this is very easy. It's very simple. It don't take too much effort at all. All you have to do is everything that I'm gonna show you what to do in this video, and you should be good to go. Now, as you guys can see, I am on the iPhone 11 Pro, but you should be able to do this on any mobile device. I'll probably make another video showing y'all how to do it on the desktop, but I want to do it on the iPhone today. So just follow everything I do in this video step by step, and you will be able to delete your Facebook account in no time. But before I get this video started, let me just say, if this video helps you out, help any of you guys out at all, be sure to give it a thumbs up. A simple thumbs up will make my channel grow, and the more my channel grow, the more I can provide more and more content for you guys. So let's get into this video on how to delete Facebook account. The first thing you want to do is make sure you have the Facebook app downloaded to your cell phone. As you can see, I have the app right here, and you're simply going to launch the app by tapping on it. So boom. Okay, once you get in Facebook, there's 3 dots down here on the bottom corner of the screen, the right corner. Click that 3 dots. Hold on, click the 3 dots, and boom. Once you click the 3 dots, you will be on this page right here. Okay, so now you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen. And once you get to the bottom of your screen on your smartphone, you will see a tab that says settings. Okay, what you're going to do is click on the settings tab right here. Now, once you have hit the settings tab, you should be on this screen right here. What I want you guys to do right now, when you get on this screen, is scroll down until you get to your Facebook information, which is right here. Now, once you see your Facebook information, guys, what you're gonna do is go over here to where it says account ownership and controls. All right, this is what you're gonna do next. Hopefully you guys got those first steps down. I'm gonna tell you what you're gonna do next. The next step to delete your Facebook account, you're going to go to, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it says deactivation and deletion right here. Temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your account. Now, you can either temporarily deactivate your account, or you can permanently delete your Facebook account. The choice is up to you. Now, in this video, let's say that you want to permanently delete your Facebook account. This is what you would do. You would click that button where it says deactivate and deletion, and then it says deactivating. Let me read this out. It says deactivating or deleting your Facebook account. If you want to take a break from Facebook, you can deactivate your account. If you want to permanently delete your Facebook account, let us know. All right, so they give you 2 options here. You can deactivate your account, which will be temporary. If you deactivate it, it says here, deactivate your account can be temporary. Your profile will be disabled and your name and photos will be removed from most things you've shared. Okay, and then it says you'll be able to continue using Messenger. So if you go take this option, then your account is just deactivated. It's not going to be deleted. You'll still be able to use Messenger and stuff like that. Now, if you want to take this option, it says delete account. Deleting your account is permanent, which means that if you go here, your account will be gone. It will be deleted. Done. Okay, so it says when you delete your Facebook account, you won't be able to retrieve the content or information you shared on Facebook. Your Messenger and all of your messages will also be deleted. So I'm just going to go to deactivate account because of course I don't want to permanently delete my account. But if you guys want to permanently delete your account, go right here, pick this option. All right, so let's deactivate. Let's say continue to account deactivation. For your security, please re-enter your password to continue. So all you guys are going to do is re-enter your password and just hit continue, and your account should be deleted. Okay, I'm not going to delete this account, so I'm not going to do that, but I just wanted to show you guys an example. It's the same thing as if you go to delete account. It's the same thing. All right, so just to verify and clarify and verify this video, just to show y'all what I just did, let me show y'all step by step a little bit faster, just for those of you who are still confused on how to delete your account. 1 second. So again, guys, to delete your account, all you're going to do is make sure that you have the app downloaded onto your phone. What you're going to do is you're going to click on the Facebook app. There's going to be 3 lines at the bottom of the screen. You want to click on those 3 lines. All right, once you click those 3 lines, they ask you, do you want to deactivate your account or do you want to delete account? Hold on, wait a minute. This ain't it. Hold on. It's supposed to be this screen here. You guys are probably going to see this screen right here first. So, okay. So you'll be on this screen. All right. Once you get on this screen, just go to settings. All right, once you're in settings, you want to scroll down until you get to your Facebook information. Then go to account ownership and controls. Then you will see these 2 options. Okay, deactivate and deletion. Okay, go to deactivate and deletion, and then you can delete your account right here. Deactive, or you can temporarily deactivate it. Then you just hit continue to account deactivation and follow the steps after that. Okay, guys. So as you can see, it's not that hard to deactivate an account on Facebook. Now I've done this all on my smartphone. I would recommend if you're on like a desktop or something like that, just check the links in the description. I may have links in the description where I teach you guys how to do it on a desktop computer. So for those of you who have a Windows computer or a Mac computer, just check the descriptions. I should have a link there. Okay. If y'all got any questions regarding that, leave it in the comment section. Now, what I want to highly recommend you guys do is, if this video was helpful at all, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos similar to this. I do a lot of tech videos, gaming, stuff like that. Best channel on YouTube, like literally best channel on YouTube. Never seen nothing like it. Best I've seen in like at least 20 million years, light years. It's just great. Awesome sauce. I don't know if you love barbecue, but I'm in love with barbecue. I just thought I'd put that out there. Now, do me a huge favor. Hit that like button. Get this thing to 100,000 likes. Aside from that, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Hopefully, this showed y'all how to delete your Facebook account. See you guys soon. Deuces.